Euro against US dollar this week has risen in value. We can see what happened. The week has started with this bullish candle, where the price has made a bullish breakout above 1.10755, and then the price stopped for a while and then continued to rise on Wednesday. The price reached at 1.11871, our resistance level, then bouncing back down, forming this bearish pin bar right in the middle between the support and the resistance level here, which was indicating also possible continuation to move up. Then the price formed on a Thursday a strong bullish candle, but we can see the price has bouncing back up and back down. First reaching again 1.10755, then resistance 1.11871, and on a Friday the price tried to move up, but it has stopped again at this resistance area, a supply zone, where the price has formed this indecision candle. Week that has been formed is a bullish one. The previous week the price formed this bullish pin bar right in between this resistance and the support level here, and then the price has stopped also at this support level, which is formed by this trend line, which is now acting as a support, and then the price bouncing back up. A monthly time frame currently looks as a bullish one. We have one more week until this month closes, so there is a high probability, at least what I can see on the chart, that this will be also a bullish one. Bullish month, continuation of the previous month, which was a bullish breakout above 1.09860. Now the next level where the price needs to make a breakout is 1.11871. We can see that. What will happen in the next week, it depends on the lower time frame, especially daily time frame, but we can see that the weekly time frame is also visible, that the next resistance is 1.11871 in front of the price that needs to be broken. A daily time frame will show much more clear information of how this looks. We can see that the price has stopped in between this resistance and this support level for several days, so this will be a very important week for the price next week. Will the price manage to make a bullish breakout? Again, after the price has formed two times this attempt. First one was here, the second one is this week. So will the price manage to make a bullish breakout above next week? We'll see how this looks. Based on the candle formation, what I can see, it looks as a bullish one. After this indecision candle, usually the price tries to continue to move in the same direction. That means a bullish one. So we'll see what happens on a Monday. Will the price manage to make a bullish breakout, or it will retrace back down? So for now, it's the best to wait outside and wait for the breakout. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.